In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hype a video here on YouTube. If you don't know what hype is, it's a brand new feature that YouTube did just introduce that helps smaller content creators get their videos out there. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. On top of that, if you want to try out this hype feature, this is the best video to go ahead and try it out on, so you can follow along while watching the tutorial. So what you're going to want to do is first go onto your account and find whatever video you'd like to hype. In this case, we're going to choose this video right here. And what we're going to want to do is actually just scroll down into the comment section just a little bit. And right on the little comments, if you actually swipe to the right of it, you're going to have the option to hype a video. If you're having a hard time actually getting the hype feature to pull up, make sure to like the video. Sometimes that does help it pop up, but usually you just have to swipe to the right to pull up this feature where you're able to actually go ahead and select hype just like so. Now, what this is going to do is help that creator get discovered more often. Every single time you hype their video, it gives them a little bit of points where they get added onto a hype leaderboard, which helps their video get promoted. So in this case, let's just hype this video. As you can see, it'll give it 1,920 points. And if I click on the leaderboard, it'll take you to a section that looks something like this right here. And it actually updates every single 5 minutes. It's pretty cool. And it's an interesting little feature that YouTube did introduce. But yeah, that's how you can hype a video here on Discord. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember, you're more than welcome to try hyping this video down below as you watch through the guide. We'd greatly appreciate it. But before you do leave this video, if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we'd greatly appreciate it as well. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.